Hi everybody, we're going to teach you the 10 most common Farsi phrases you'll need when visiting a restaurant. Learn these phrases for the next time you visit Iran so you know what to order and what to say when you're in a restaurant. We got together a bunch of our team members to tell you all about each of these 10 phrases and tell you exactly where to use them. Enjoy.
ممکن است پشت این میز بنشینم؟ ممکن است پشت این میز بنشینم؟
The first sentence would be like
ممکن است پشت این میز بنشینم, which means can I sit over there?
That table may be reserved, or no one may speak English in that restaurant, so you can really use it.
So when you go to a restaurant,
you can ask the waiter if it's possible to sit behind this table. Maybe they reserve it for someone or something.
And it was like ممکن است پشت این میز بنشینم. Can I sit there?
That's it.
میشه منو رو ببینم؟ میشه منو رو ببینم؟
And here is the second question, which is a very useful one.
میشه منو رو ببینم? May I have the menu, please?
Yes, so when you go to the restaurant, sit on the table, you ask the waiter, like, can I see the menu? That's all.
So know it in Persian and you will have the best food ever in a restaurant.
شما چی پیشنهاد میکنید؟ شما چی پیشنهاد میکنید؟
This sentence means
What do you offer?
And you will use this question whenever you don't mind to taste new dish or have any specific drink, so you just ask for some suggestions.
So you can ask the waiter or waitress, what is the specials in here?
this is again one of the most useful sentences you can use in a restaurant.
برای پیش غذا سوپ میخوام. برای پیش غذا سوپ میخوام.
I want salad or soup for the appetizers.
It may happen to you that you are not sure about your main dish, so you just know what you want to start with.
In most of the Persian restaurants or anywhere in Iran, you can have appetizers or starters as like salad or soup. The word salad and soup in Iran is the same, so soup in English is soup in Persian, and salad is salat.
Anyway, you can ask for a starter, for pish ghaza. That's what you can say to have a soup or something like that as a starter.
من برای غذای اصلی استیک میخوام. من برای غذای اصلی استیک میخوام.
I want a steak as my main dish.
You can ask the waiter for the main course. من برای غذای اصلی استیک میخوام.
Steak mikham, kebab mikham, whatever the food is. I want steak, kebab or chicken as my main course.
You can also omit ghazae asli. Ghazae asli means main food, but most probably when you say something, it means like your main food.
چه شام خوشمزه‌ای؟ چه شام خوشمزه‌ای؟
And you will definitely need this one. چه شام خوشمزei.
What a delicious dinner.
So when you want to complete the dish or you want to be nice at the table, you can say, wow, what a delicious dinner.
غذا خوشمزه است. It's like food is delicious, or nahar khoshmazei است. It's like the lunch is delicious. So you can use khoshmazei with anything like burger khoshmazei است.
Just when you want to say that you're happy with what you have ordered already, you can say چه شام خوشمزه.
چه شام خوشمزei, or what a delicious dinner, is really a nice sentence to make the people in the restaurant, to make the personnel more happy.
ببخشید من این رو سفارش ندادم. ببخشید من این رو سفارش ندادم.
You just receive something on your table that you have not ordered.
What you should do, you should just mention this sentence. You should just say this. ببخشید من این رو سفارش ندادم.
ببخشید is excuse me. For different situation you can use excuse me. But I didn't order this one. ببخشید اما من اینو سفارش ندادم. Excuse me, I didn't order this one.
ببخشید اما فکر می کنم وافل سفارش دادم. ببخشید اما فکر می کنم وافل سفارش دادم.
ببخشید اما فکر میکنم وافل سفارش دادم.
You may also receive something on your table after, I don't know, waiting for 40 minutes that it's not actually what you've ordered.
I'm sorry, I thought I ordered waffles.
ببخشید I'm sorry. فکر میکنم وافل سفارش دادم. I'm sure that I ordered waffle.
حساب ما چقدر میشه؟ حساب ما چقدر میشه؟
So at the end حساب ما چقدر میشه؟
This means, would you please bring the check?
The sad part for you and the best part for the owner of the restaurant.
حساب ما چقدر میشه؟ Or میشه لطفاً حساب کنید, which literally means could we have our bill or check please?
میشه بسته بندی کنید؟ میشه بسته بندی کنید؟
میشه بسته بندی کنید? Would you please wrap the food?
So if you have extra meal or some leftovers at the table and you want to take it home,
A very polite way to ask a server or waitress to wrap the food leftover for you is to say
میشه بسته بندی کنید؟ میشه بسته بندی کنید؟
Yeah.